Hello. Hello students, before starting today's lecture I would like to discuss the syllabus part. What are the basically syllabus which we have to cover in Geotechnical Engineering 2. So it is Geotechnical Engineering 2 TCE 503. What are the learning outcomes of this subject? You have 2 lectures, 1 tutorial of 3 credit, and practical is also associated with the subject. Theory part and practical part both are. So after completion of this course you will be able to determine the allowable bearing pressure and load carrying capacity of different foundation system. You will be able to evaluate bearing capacity, correction factor, and apply related equation and design of footings. Evaluate the effect of water table and layered soil system on foundation and its performance, foundation performance on layered soil. Identify pile material types of various field application and calculate side tip capacity of driven piles in clay and sand, and understand the subsurface exploration and ground improvement techniques being applied in fields. So basically this subject is very much applicable in field. First unit which we have to cover is stability of the earth slope, in which we will study about the types of slopes, causes and types of failure of slopes, definition of factor of safety, stability for infinite slopes and stability for finite slopes by the method of slices, friction circle method, Taylor stability number and its uses, and certain slope protection measures which are applied in fields. So as you all people know that we have covered first unit, so you all people should go through the theory related to stability of earth slopes and solve certain numerical problem on this, and you should go through the case history of certain slope protection measures taken in any country, any hilly terrain, or any earthen embankment, railway embankment, earthen dams and all those. Now I am talking about unit 2. What are the subtopics which we have to cover in unit 2 is definition of ultimate, net and safe bearing capacity, allowable bearing pressure, Terzaghi and Brinkens bearing capacity equation, assumption, their assumption and limitation, bearing capacity of the footing subjected to the eccentric loading, effect of the water table on bearing capacity of footing on the layered soil, and field methods for the evaluation of bearing capacity and their limitations. Number 1, we have to conduct plate load test, standard penetration test and cone penetration test. This unit is subcategorized into 2 subparts. Number 1, bearing capacity, and number 2, stress distribution under the loaded area, in which we will go through Boussinesq and Westergaard theory for concentrated, circular and rectangular loads, pressure distribution diagram, contact pressure and Newmark's chart. In unit 3 we are going to discuss about shallow foundation, their settlement and proportioning, important concept of settlement analysis, types of settlement, tolerance limit, Bureau of Indian Standard specification for total and differential settlement of footings and rafts, allowable bearing pressure, factors influencing the selection of depth of the foundation, and factors influencing allowable bearing pressure, factors influencing the choice of foundation. So in unit 4 we are going to discuss about the deep foundation. In deep foundation we have 2 types of foundation which we are going to cover in our syllabus. Number 1 is pile foundation and number 2 is well and caisson foundation. In pile foundation we will go through their classification and their suitability, pile capacity by the static method, negative skin friction, pile capacity by the dynamic formula and their limitation, group action of the piles, number and spacing of the piles in a group efficiency under rimmed piles. In well and caisson foundation, types and application, coffer dam, Types and application, introduction to the sheet piles, machine foundation. In unit 5th we will cover subsurface exploration and ground improvement technique. Types of the sample, undisturbed, disturbed and representative samples, samplers, sample disturbance, area ratio, recovery ratio, clearance, stabilization of the bore holes, typical bore log, number and depth of boring for various civil engineering structures, soil exploration report, control of the groundwater during excavation, dewatering, ditches and sumps, well point system, vacuum method, electro-osmosis method, problematic soil, soil stabilization and its method, preloading, sand rains, grouting, vibroflotation and geosynthetic. So these are the certain textbooks which are recommended for Geotechnical Engineering 2. Number 1, BC Punamia, Soil Mechanics and Foundation Engineering by Lakshmi Publication. Alam Singh and G.R. Chaudhary, their book titling Soil Engineering in Theory and Practice by CBS Publisher. Design of Substructure by Swami Saran, published by K International. Brajam Das, Foundation Engineering, and a few very good reference books, or I should suggest some international writers also, authors also, that is Foundation Analysis and Design by J.E. Bowles, published by Tata McGraw Hills. You should prefer the latest edition of this book. Second reference is W.C. Teng, Foundation in Design, published by PHI Limited. Gopal Ranjan and A.S.R. Rao, Basic and Applied Soil Mechanics by New Age International Limited. Soil Dynamics by Dr. Samsher Prakash by Wiley Easton, and R.F. Craig Soil Mechanics by Van Nostrand Reinhold Company Limited. So these are some reference books and textbook. I am sharing some sites where you will get the book. You all people can easily get this book on Script app. So go through this Script app and you can get a book on this website also of a Script app very easily. You can get these books on this website of Script also very easily. Certainly very good resources available on net is like you can also get the lectures on YouTube. If you will search, so on YouTube you can get very good lectures of professors of IITs. You can also search for resources on MIT Open Courseware. Very easily you can find the course of Geotechnical Engineering on MIT Courseware also. On YouTube, what basically you all people have to do, on what you all people can do, you can type NPTEL Foundation Engineering, NPTEL Foundation Engineering. So you will get certain Foundation Engineering by Professor Kaushik Dev, Foundation Engineering. So you can go through these lectures on Foundation Engineering and Soil Mechanics and Foundation Engineering, Advanced Foundation Engineering. Certainly you will get very good knowledge from these people. These people are from IITs, and also you can search their profile. Also you can search their profile on from website, like I am searching this people on website of IIT Bombay Civil Engineering Department. Similarly, you can search for IISc people also over here, IISc Geotech people. So after going through these, you can click in the people section, faculty section, and you can see what type of work these people from geotechnical background from IIT Bombay, what actually these people are doing, what Professor DN Singh sir is doing, and he is working his research area. You can open his website, you can see what type of work he has done in the field of geotechnical engineering, what is his research area, what Professor BVS Vishwanathan is doing, what is his research area, and in similar manner you can go through their websites. So you can see the websites of the professor over here, and we will come to know about the work experience, their awards and membership, consultation course or thesis, and what actually they are doing in the field of geotechnical engineering. In similar manner, you all people can search for IISc Bangalore professors also through these websites. So here also you will find many things. Easily you can see what people are doing, which kind of research is happening in IISc and geotechnical engineering group, what are the facilities being provided by these people, what are the project being care, and there are some useful links also. So you can open these things, what the people have done in PhD, what kind of work they are doing in PhD, what kind of work they are doing in MSc engineering. So very easily you all people can find these things in their websites also. With the help of useful link, you will get certainly more knowledge. I would like to share with you all people what you will come to know in. So these are something you should know, how Indian Geotechnical Society is working. You should enter this website, how International Society of Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering work, what are the certain books related to geotechnical engineering, what are the journals related to geotechnical engineering, which type of research work you all people can do in the field of this type of research work, major research area in the field of geotechnical, like soil behavior, foundation engineering, soil dynamics and earthquake geotechnical engineering, ground improvement, geosynthetic, geoenvironmental engineering, rock mechanics. So these are the things, these are the areas in which you all people have to work if you are going for higher degree, if you are pursuing higher degree in the field of geotechnical engineering. Similarly, there is also very good branch related to IIT Guwahati Geotech. So you can also see these things. In similar manner, I was talking about some society. So in the way I have opened these website, you all people can also open at your home, and you will come to know about the things, how the things are happening in IITs and all this. So in same manner you can go through the faculties. In people you will get some what type of research they are carrying in IIT Guwahati, what are the facilities available in IIT Guwahati. You can click over in the information section, you can see certain IS codes which are available in the field of geotechnical engineering, geotechnical companies, central instrument, and also you can click to see useful links, what are the useful links available over here. So when you will open you will come to know some geotechnical journals, general search engines like Cyrus, Scopus, geotechnical software also like Geotechnical GeoStudio, Flag 3D, Rock Science, Plexus. So these are certain geotechnical softwares. These are geotechnical society websites like Indian Geotechnical Society, Indian Geosynthetic Society, International Society of Soil Mechanics, geotechnical engineering books, and geotechnical engineering websites, geotechnical earthquake portal. So you can go through all these things by opening. Like I have opened the websites of International Society of Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering. So you all people can see what corporate associate over here are doing, what are the young members are doing, which type of events are being commended. You can go through the publication section of these things very easily. You will get certain knowledge. So here you can see that highlighted resource, what are the library, International Society of Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering, what libraries can, what they are publishing in their bulletin, how virtual university lexicon review geotechnical terms in 14 languages. So all these things are very easily available on net if you all people want to search. And also very important thing, you get the webinars over here.